You're looking for the best legal firecrackers to light up your celebration? You're in the right place. I'm gonna give you some recommendations that later when you check them out, you're gonna know which ones you like and which ones you don't. Because you know, we've all been there. You buy firecrackers, but then when they go off, they don't make the big impact that you were hoping for. Or maybe they don't pop loud enough, or they burn out too quickly. And that's super disappointing, right? So don't worry. Today, we're going to be talking about the best legal firecrackers that, you know, they're going to make your celebration unforgettable. All right? So here we go. First, the Black Cat Fireworks. Okay? They're known for their powerful cherry bombs that pack a punch and create a big noise. The next one is the Phantom Fireworks. They offer some whistling moon travelers, which, you know, fly high into the air before bursting into a loud, colorful pop. Those are one of my favorites. And then if you want something that's gonna make everyone jump, TNT Fireworks has their mega bangers, okay, which are sure to impress anybody with a huge explosive sound. Another top pick is the Brothers Pyrotechnics with their thunder bombs, okay? Check those out. They explode with such force, you're gonna feel the vibration. And lastly, you got Winda Fireworks, which have the option with their Crackling Firecrackers, which provide a shower of sparks and a loud crackling sound that everybody's gonna love. So if you wanna bring the noise and excitement to your next event, check out those awesome firecrackers. And if you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.